guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wala akong boses na grabe. So ito mga ka-sexy. Nandito ako sa aking 50th birthday. Pasensya na, simpleng birthday lang ito mga ka-sexy. Kaya yan, ito po sila. Wala pa sila?
Hi po!
Hello! Ma!
Birthday ka naman ako.
Usapan alas 5 eh.
Kasi nantay nga.
Hi, Miles! Okay. Ay, gwapo ng aming ang pabagkis nga. Hindi naman. Wait guys. Wait guys. Hot ka naman. Picture. Ayan. Go. Thank you. May isa pang set to, no? Wala bang camera mo? Ako talaga yun. Camera mo. Ay, si Man. Apo. Nag-comment. Ayan yung tatay niya. Pamangkin ko. Dumilagay. Ayan yung mami. Pamangkin ko. Asawa niya. Thank you. Nakagold ka rin. Sumunod tayo. Kay Mami Abra. Lalo naman ako.
Happy birthday, Ta. Hope you enjoy your 50th golden anniversary. Ay, birthday. Sila pa.
Kailan kayo? My classmate in high school. And I'm one of the classmates. Ayan, shoutout kay Edita. Nahirapan. Oh, picture. High school.
Isa pa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Awi. Mama. Yung isa. Ikaw ma, blow ka rin. Blow mo yung sayo. Dali.
For Tita Lily.
malayo eh.
Yan po. Yan.
Yan, pag malapit, ganyan. Okay.
More subscribers there's love, always remember, even if our friendships long distance, we will hold it forever. Always take care and I love you. Love you.
Asa cellphone ko?
Our listeners is from Miss Jen. Wishing all them success in their lives. That is the only. Happy birthday, make more birthday card. Enjoy. Sino tayo? Aileen. This message is from Aileen.
Wala. Cake. Brielle, cake. Cake.
And this message is from Tita Lily. Oh my God. Tita Lily! Salamat sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay mo sa akin. Nalusugan na lang ako ay nangingin mo. This next message is from Eric and family.
Who is that?
Ako sa mga generous na taong nakilala ko, kaya lagi mong hindi umabot ang mahaba ang buhay ko. More birthdays, more blessings. God is your health is your wealth. Kaya sana lagi po ito palakas. This message is from Mama Bo. Following Diamond, wish you all the best in life, good health and more success. Another project in part in life. God bless you. Yes. Pero talaga ikaw tayo. Oh my God! Happy 50th birthday, I wish you all the best in life and be healthy always. Thank you for always taking care of your family. Sa mga kapatid mo, nalilito kami mga pamangkin mo. At ako. At dahil na sarili mo naman ang regalo. Mas maraming birthday sana naman sa'yo. Mga 100 years.
Bakit ako walang ganun? Live ka eh. Live na lang sa'yo. Live. Live message daw kay... Shh. Isko, sit properly.
This message from us. Happy birthday, Teka. I'm here holding you have more and more blessings and good
Virgin.
health. Thank you for inviting us for your special day. I appreciate it.
Din. Bigyan mo ng cake sila, Brian.
And last message, but not the least, from Johan. Tita Johan!
Great.
Let's go! One, ready, go! Let's go!